Aaron David Salazar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
CR 39 2020, on the record. Everyone needs to whisper. We're on the docket. Court is calling 2020, on the record. Court is calling 2023 CR 3992, State of Texas versus Aaron David Salazar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Aaron David Salazar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case?
Nope.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Salazar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 159 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $500 fine. The state will take in consideration 701690, 2023 CR 3993. There's to be restitution in 2023 CR 3992 and 2023 CR 3993. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, they're asking that you have no contact with Walmart. Did you understand those recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes.
Then to the office as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
Objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, I'm just asking for the floor.
All right, Mr. Salazar, why do you not stop stealing?
I was in my phase of life where I was doing drugs And these 5 months, I actually found myself, and you won't see me in here again.
But no, you keep stealing. The reason why this is a state jail felony is because you've stolen 2 times before.
Yes.
So why do you keep stealing? Obviously, 2 things are going on. 1, you're not good at it because you keep getting caught, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2, you have some issues that are going on in your life that is causing you to steal. If it's drugs, there are free places all over San Antonio for you to get help with your drug addictions. If it's something else, if it's, oh, I can't afford this, again, there are free places all over San Antonio to help you with that. If you don't have clothing, there's a free place for you to get clothing. If you don't have food, there's a free place for you to get food. So, free clothing, free food, free help with your drug issue. So that eliminates your need to steal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
I have 8 children.
What are their ages?
They range from 7 to 24.
And you're not supporting them, are you?
No.
Do you plan on being a good father to them or not? Father's Day just passed.
Yes, I do.
And how are you going to do that? What's your plan when you get out of jail?
Get in contact with them first of all.
Well,
We'll get in contact. That's seriously get in contact with them.
you shouldn't be getting in contact with them first. The first thing you need to do when you get out of Bexar County Jail, because you have a drug issue, is go to a drug treatment facility and tell them you need help. You can't be addicted to drugs, living on the street or whatever you've been doing, and then all of a sudden just out of the blue pop up on your children's doorstep.
So, ma'am, I understand.
All right. You've got to now prove yourself to be worthy to be in their life. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Court will sentence you to 159 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to take into consideration 701690, 2023 CR 3993. There's to be restitution in 2023 CR 3992 and 2023 CR 3993. Counsel, did you want to address the no contact with Walmart?
I think he understands that you cannot have any contact with online since the age.
All right. And they do have the super, I think they have the super HEB because some HEBs you go to, they sell clothing. And I think the one on Bandera actually sells engagement rings. At least they did when I was in law school. So there's to be no contact with Walmart. And what is Walmart's answer to Costco?
Sam's Club.
They didn't say Sam's Club.
Costco.
So no contact with Walmart. Is there a dismissal to be tendered to me in 701690?
I don't know if you want me to take that to file, or do you want to have the judge sign?
Should we email the prosecutors in that county court to do that?
I'll go with
All
that
right,
next.
thank you. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record, what's up with the white rabbit tattoo?
Oh, I'm an ex-gang member.
Okay. Here's the thing. Some people say they're ex and they're really not. Do not be bringing that drama and trauma to your children's doorstep. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to write them a letter, maybe that may be appropriate. If you want to send them some child support money through the mail, that may be appropriate. But until you get your life in order, don't be bringing drama and trauma to their doorstep. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.